Friday with friends, and welcome to another Challenge or Be Challenged. Now this week our special guest is August from August's Acrylic Art, and he has given us the challenge of doing a comb over. So I have my comb and I'm ready to give this a try. So let's get down to the table and have a little fun. Okay, I have a 12-inch round wood circle for this one. My base is going to be Sherwin Williams, and this is Golden Plumeria. It's one of my favorites. Our colors are going to be eye candy pigments in Senshi red, and then I have Hippie Crafter in Pthalo blue, Scarlett, Robin's egg blue, and then I have eye candy in Suiren purple and Nebula green. And then as my cell activators, I have Amsterdam titanium white and Amsterdam permanent blue violet. So we're going to start by putting down our base, and then I'll explain the next step. Okay, our next step is going to be to lay down our colors. And what I'm going to do is put a band of colors and a center color and a band of colors. And these two bands will match, and this will be a solid color. So I'm going to do our solid color first. So this is my Senshi red. We're going to make that sort of our feature color. So that's going to be a nice band of that in the center here. Outside, we're going to put our other colors. Now I've got my palette knife here. These are right about the right size. Poke a few bubbles real quick. Now I'm only going to swipe the two outer bands and not the center. I want to leave the center solid. Best reaction is up here. I need it down here. right, we're going to give that a minute to react, and then we're going to comb through. And then we'll work on spinning. It's going to be messy, so let's move some things out of the way. This needs a little help over here, I think. About that. All right, now we're going to take our comb. We're going to have a little fun here. Oh, I like that. All right, let's start spinning that. Sort of wishing I'd made that center line a little bit smaller, but I like it. good. They almost stop. Okay. I am going to clean this up a bit and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, we have wet results. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. Start here. And we have our red center. And then this over here. Look at those cells. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I'm so happy with this. All right, we are going to let this dry. And I'll give you dry results. And I'll give you some dry results. Hang in there. Okay, we have dry results. I'm really thrilled. Oh, that Senshi red is making me so happy. It's so bright. I love this right over here. Look, I still have some of that golden Plumeria around the edges. So pretty. And then that big band of the Senshi red down the center. Ah, and it is so shiny. Okay, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now again, this is part of our Friday with Friends. So before me, you should have seen first August from August Acrylic Art. And after me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.